Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your kitchen scraps grow a garden, step by step. It's a wonderfully simple and sustainable way to enjoy fresh produce and reduce food waste. Imagine turning the ends of your celery or lettuce into new, vibrant plants. This process is not only rewarding, but also incredibly easy to start, requiring just a few basic items you likely already have at home. Let's dive into how you can begin your own countertop garden today. Now let's talk about selecting the best scraps for regrowth. Look for the firm, healthy bases of vegetables such as romaine lettuce, celery, or even the white ends of green onions. For most items, you'll want to cut off about 1 to 2 inches from the very bottom, where the roots would typically emerge. Make sure your chosen scraps are fresh and show no signs of wilting or spoilage, as this will greatly improve your chances of success. Quality scraps lead to quality growth. The next step is to give your scraps a good start in water. Find a shallow dish or a small glass and add about 1 inch of fresh water. Carefully place your vegetable scrap into the water, ensuring only the very bottom is submerged. Position this dish in a bright, sunny location, such as a kitchen windowsill, to provide ample light. Remember to change the water every single day to keep it fresh and prevent any unwanted mold from forming. You should see new roots and tiny green shoots appearing within 3 to 7 days. Once your scrap has developed new roots that are about 2 to 3 inches long, it's ready for its new home in soil. Choose a small pot with drainage holes and fill it with good quality potting mix. Plant your rooted scrap, making sure the new green growth remains above the soil line. Water it immediately after planting and continue to water consistently, keeping the soil moist but never soggy. Provide plenty of sunlight, and soon you'll be harvesting fresh, homegrown produce directly from your very own kitchen garden.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.